Good evening everyone. Now today is my 19th video on the YouTube. Okay, I belong from Chaudhary family. Today we are discussing about the beautician tips, makeup tips, and today we are learning about basic hairstyle also. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, in the last class we studied about the lipstick. Alright, now we are studying about the blushers. How we can apply the blushers on the face. Okay, you have to apply the blushers from the chin bone to cheekbone. Okay, cheekbone to chin bone. Alright, between part of you have to apply the blushers. Okay, here is also same, chin bone from to cheekbone. Okay, cheeks and chin bone between you have to apply the blushers properly. Okay, till here, and you have to apply from down side to upper side. All right, that's why I am here making a line. Okay, you can see properly. You have to apply from the upper lip to end of the ear, upper ear. Okay, upper lips to upper ear. Okay, this direction. Okay, you have to apply properly blushers. Okay, and here is also you have to apply the chin bone from to chin bone between and from upper lip to upper ear. Okay, like that type of direction. Okay, okay, it is clear. Okay, and it is called contouring. Okay, because and you have to apply the blushers by the help of light pink color, light red color. Okay, and if you haven't light red color, so you can apply the red color. Okay, okay, and you can apply the skin color, yeah, reddish color also. Okay, why? Because of the reason we want to make others so look like childish. Okay, that's why we are applying the here blushers. Okay, and it is called a contouring. Okay, and that time you are applying the blushers, you have to close your lips, and you have to press it. Okay, inner side. All right. Okay, so next we have to apply the highlight and contouring. Okay, so you can apply the by the help of blushers. You can also take for it, and you can take concealers. Okay, yeah, eyeshadows also. Okay, for it, and you have to apply the contouring, yeah, highlighting for blushers, eyeshadows. Okay, yeah, you can apply the here concealers also. Okay, but you have to remember, you have to apply concealers, blushers, and eyeshadows same color of your skin tone. Okay, and you have to take for a highlighting one shade dark color, and you have to take a one light shade color for a contouring. Okay, but we are doing here highlighting. Okay, highlighting, you are seeing nose bone between, everyone has a nose bone. Okay, so you have to apply the here highlighting. Okay, same, you can use your finger also. You can use look like that. Okay, you can use contouring that type. Okay, this direction on your nose bone. Okay, and then if you are doing mixing perfectly contouring, okay, so you have to contouring from, yeah, this color you have to spread in this direction, okay, properly. And here is also same like this type, okay. And you can use your finger also like that type of, you can use contouring here also, okay. And you have to do contouring from here also, okay, this type. So it mix will be properly, and you are seeing properly, we are pressing here, okay. It means it's a called contouring, press karna, it's a contouring. And only you have to apply this direction only for highlighting, and you have to apply properly this, and from this you are seeing here starting from the nose bone, okay. So it's look like a natural. All right, I think your concept will be cleared. Okay, so next you have to apply the highlighting from here. You can see, everyone, you have a one bone from your downside of eyebrow. Touch it and you can feel it, okay. Then you can apply the highlighting here also, okay. And remember it, guys, you have to apply the highlighting same color of your eyeshadows color, your skin colors, okay. Remember it properly, okay. So you can show it very perfectly, okay. Whatever color you are using for the eyeshadows, you have to apply same color for the highlighting, okay. You can apply the highlighting by the help of white color, silver color, golden color, right. And sometime you can use the dark yellow color also, okay. So you can show it by perfectly highlighting, okay. So this will be shine so much, okay. And look, it looks like a very nice. All right, okay. Now we are studying about today some basic hairstyles, okay. Some basic hairstyles for the beautician. All right, so you can see here properly. Okay, first hairstyle, okay. You have to take all hairs from this direction, okay, left direction, and you have to apply here ribbon properly from your front side to back side, and you have to take it, okay, properly. This is a simple basic hairstyle. All right, first you can see here pony of left side hairstyle, okay. Next, second, you can take all hairs in the right direction. You can see properly, right direction. Here you have to take all hairs, okay. And then you have to apply here rubber band, okay. Rubber band, and whatever you have available, anything more good thing you can use here, okay. Whatever accessories you have, you can use here, okay. And then you have to take all hairs to front side of the right side, right shoulders, okay. It's a, you can say it pony of right side hairstyle, okay. All right, okay. Now next, third, you have to take hairs, you have to learn it by perfectly, okay. You have to take your hairs, okay, three direction, okay. You have to take little bit hairs in your hand, and then you have to divide it into the three parts. You are seeing one part is this, okay, properly. One part is this, second part is this, and third part is this, okay. And then you have to repeat it. Repeat this process. You have to take this hair into this side. Then you have to take this hair into this side, okay. Then again you have to take this hair into this side. Then again you have to take this hairs into this side. Then again you have to take this hairs this side. Then again you have to take this hairs this side. Then again you have to take this hairs this side. And then again you have to take this hairs this side. Alright. Same as it is, you have to repeat this process again and again till end. Alright. And then you have to leave your hairs. Okay. And then you have to apply here rubber band. Alright. You can see properly. It's a called French hair style. Okay. French hair style. Alright. Now next is, you have to take all hairs, okay, from your back side, okay, and then you have to divide it all hairs into the two parts, only into the two parts, okay. Then you have to take one hair, one flicks from this side to this side, okay. It means right side to left side. Then you have to take one flicks from the left side to right side. Then again you have to take the one flicks right side to left side. Then again you have to take one flicks the left side to right side. Then again you have to take the one flicks from the right side to left side. Then again you have to take the one flicks from the left side to right side. Then again you have to take the one flicks from the right side to left side. Then again you have to take the one flicks from the left side to right side, okay. It's a completely process. You have to repeat it till end. Then you have to leave hairs, some hairs, okay. And then you have to apply the one rubber band here, okay. Rubber band and whatever good qualities of accessories you have available, you can use here, okay. Then it's a looks like this type. You can see properly. You can see properly. Okay. So it's look like a khajuri hairstyle. It's a called khajuri hairstyle. You can see properly. Okay. So it's all kind of hairstyle. Okay guys. I hope you will understand properly. Okay. For basic hairstyles and highlighting and contouring, okay, use of the blazers properly on the face, okay. So we hope guys you liked it, and I want to clear to you guys, it's a only basic course of the beautician, okay. I am not teaching to you a professionally course of the beauty parlor, okay. I am only give you a guidance of basic course of beauty parlor, okay, of a beautician. Like, but if you want to learn anything more, okay, about how we can become a professional beautician, and if you want to take a deep knowledge of the beautician, so you can do comment to me, okay, and you can share any kind of doubt to me on the comment section, okay. So I will give you a reply, and I will give my best to you, okay guys. So if you like this video, so please do comment, like, subscribe this channel and share to anything more people. We hope we will meet on the next video very soon. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर, लव यू एवरीवन, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ.